If you have a child or a dog or a cat that you love, would you let someone come into your life and try to feed them poison? And then would you continue to hang out with that person if they did? Of course you wouldn't. Then why do you hang out with people who feed you negativity every day? Because once in a while they're nice to you, or because they do something nice for you once in a while, or maybe they're your friends or family. I'm not saying if they're your friends or family, don't ever talk to them again. I'm just saying take an extended vacation until you have the success you want in your life. Pick up their phone call, but make sure you have an excuse to get off pretty quick, because if you let them feed you every day something negative, something that's going to take away from the success you're building in your life or the life that you want, you're never going to get where you want to go. You need to have the strongest cybersecurity system you could ever imagine guarding your mind, and that needs to be you standing guard. You show me your thoughts and I will show you your future, so make sure you don't take this lightly. Patrick Engas, your Blind Spot Business Navigator. Click that subscribe button and I'll talk to you real soon.